Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome to this quick and easy guide on how to transfer Dogecoin from Phantom Wallet to MetaMask in 2025. If you're holding Dogecoin in your Phantom Wallet and want to move it over to MetaMask for better management or trading on Ethereum-based networks, you're in the right place. This process might involve a bridge since Dogecoin isn't directly compatible with Ethereum, but don't worry, I'll walk you through it step by step. First things first. Make sure you have both wallets set up on your device and that you have some Dogecoin in your Phantom wallet. Also, double-check that you're on the correct networks. Phantom is often used for Solana, but for Dogecoin, you might need to use a multi-chain bridge. Let's dive in. Step 1. Open your Phantom wallet app or extension. Navigate to your Dogecoin balance. Remember, if Dogecoin isn't showing up, you may need to add it as a custom token. Once you're there, click on the Send button. Step 2. Enter the recipient address. This is where MetaMask comes in. Open your MetaMask wallet, switch to the Ethereum mainnet or the appropriate network for bridged tokens, and copy your MetaMask wallet address. Paste that into the recipient field in Phantom. Step 3. Specify the amount of Dogecoin you want to transfer. Be cautious here. Double-check the fees, as bridging tokens can incur costs. Review the transaction details, then hit Confirm to initiate the transfer. Step 4. Wait for the transaction to process. This could take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Once it's confirmed on the blockchain, head back to MetaMask. You might need to add the bridged version of Dogecoin, like WDOGE, or a wrapped token, as your manual token. A quick tip. Always use reputable bridges to avoid scams, and never share your private keys. If you run into issues, like failed transactions, check the network compatibility or reach out to wallet support. And there you have it. That's how you transfer Dogecoin from Phantom to MetaMask in 2025. This keeps your crypto journey smooth and secure. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Stay safe out there and happy trading.